Hello, everyone. I am Dr. John Dexter, and I will be your tour guide, I guess, for the next 9 weeks in MSM 6640, which is Foundations of Leadership and Motivation. Real quick, I just want to spend, we'll probably be maybe 10 minutes. I just want to give you a little bit of walk through the syllabus, give you a little bit about background on me, and set expectations before we move forward. But welcome. This is going to be a good class. I'm excited about it. First of all, I am a full-time professor of management at Troy University, although I am based in Dallas. I have about 17 years of HR practitioner experience and some operations experience as the chief HR officer for some fairly well-known mid-sized companies, Hotels.com and Expedia, TravelClick, Web.com, as well as some senior HR leadership positions with Office Depot and Capital One. I have a BS in psychology and sociology, master's and PhD in human resources development, which is a hybrid of HR management and organizational development. Um, so my office hours will be a little bit odd because we have people from all over the world, literally. There's some in, I think there's one in Bahrain, there's one in Okinawa. So it's very difficult to be available for for everybody. So in general, my office hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11 to 2 Central Time. So send me an email and we will try to I'll do my best to be available. But I recognize that not everybody's going to be available during those times. So whatever times you need, just send me an email and we'll try to figure it out. I don't want anybody having to log in and call me at 2 o'clock in the morning so that we can talk. So we'll figure that out. Um, on page 2 of the syllabus, the course description and purpose is pretty straightforward, but objectives, pay real close attention to those because those are what you're going to be tested over. Those are what I expect will be incorporated into the term paper and discussion. So we're really those are the ones that we're focusing on. The specific course requirements are the discussion board, the proctored examination, which is just the one exam, and then a research paper. Which is 3,000 words. So this shouldn't be overly burdensome, but it will require some time. And if you want to do well in this class, you're going to have to do the readings and the discussions and really pay attention to it because it's, although it's straightforward stuff, you're going to have to actually do the work in order to be successful. The research component of this paper, again, is going to be about 3,000 words at a minimum, APA style. You probably, at this stage in your academic career, should have an APA manual, but if you don't, a lot of that's available online. So Purdue OWL, I think it's called, is a great resource for current APA formatting. So, but make sure it's APA format. Make sure that your citations are accurate. Use some professional, journal articles, peer-reviewed articles, and this needs to be a professional academic paper. So that's my expectations on that. Of course, the required textbook is Lucier and Achua, Leadership Theory, Application and Skill Development. It's in the bookstore. I think it's fairly easy to find. Let's see. All assignments need to be submitted through Blackboard, and every assignment is going to be due by midnight on Sunday night of the week that it was assigned. So, in general, the weeks run from Monday at midnight Sunday night through 11:59 the following Sunday. So you'll see things posted at midnight from me, but make sure that everything is in there on time. I can't imagine there will be situations where we need to make up assignments, but in the case that we do, I need to be notified way ahead of time on that. No, gosh, I didn't get it in today kind of thing. So make sure on top of that. Grading will be straightforward. 90 plus is an A, 80 to 90 is 80 to 89 is a B, etc. I expect everyone to do well in this class. The three major components again are the cases and the discussion board participation. That's all outlined pretty clearly, I think. That's 40 points, 30 points for the term paper, and 30 points for the proctored exam. So uh, shouldn't be any issue there. Most of the syllabus is straightforward and standard for every class. But week one this week, make sure you send me an email confirming that you've understood the syllabus. That's I know it seems like overkill, but I don't want people coming back and saying, "Oh, I didn't get it." So let's make sure we understand it. Read chapter 1, and then the case on Steve Jobs, which I believe is page 23. I actually don't have my textbook yet for the latest edition, so it could be 22 or 25, but you guys will be able to find it. And make sure you address those major course objectives as you write through these discussions and discuss your cases. Let's see. That's probably pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or post it on the discussion board. I prefer having it posted to the discussion board so that we can get everybody else's opinions and things. The interesting thing, as you probably know with leadership, is there's not necessarily a finite answer to just about anything. It's a soft science. It's interpretive, and there can be strong arguments for a variety of perspectives. So I'd be interested in what you guys have, and I think each and every student would probably feel the same. So again, if you have any questions, email me, jcdexter@troy.edu, and if not, I will look forward to your bios and your discussion board, etc. So with that, good luck. Take care.